Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Now look at this picture. Can you guess the name of this sport? Yes, you are correct. It is archery. Dear students, archery is the art, sport, practice or skill of using a bow to shoot arrows. Historically, archery has been used for hunting and combat. In modern time, it is mainly a competitive sport and recreational activity. Students, do you know what we call a person who participates in archery is typically called an archer or a bowman. बच्चों, यदि मैं आसान भाषा में आप सभी को इसका मतलब समझाऊं तो वह इस प्रकार है। किसी निश्चित लक्ष्य पर धनुष की सहायता से बाण चलाने की कला को धनुर्विद्या कहते हैं, यानी कि आर्चरी कहते हैं। Students, we know famous archery warriors like Arjun and Eklavya from the mythological epic Mahabharata. In today's world, we have talented archers as well. They are making our country proud on international front. Here are some of the best Indian archers to look out for. Dola Banerjee, Limbaram, Deepika Kumari, etc. So dear students, in this video, we are going to read and understand the story Nasiruddin's Aim of your book Marigold. So let's start. One day, Nasiruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow, take an aim and shoot an arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit bang on the target." Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasiruddin, he said, "Here, Nasiruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then pointing toward a target, he said, "Aim at the target and shoot an arrow." So, students, while gossiping with his friends, Nasiruddin started self-praising. खुद की तारीफ करना शुरू कर देता है and said, "There is no match of my archery skill. I am best in this. I string the bow, take an aim and shoot an arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit bang on the target." And listening all this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving him bow and arrows, he pointed toward a target. He said to Nasiruddin, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Nasiruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. Whoosh! The arrow did not hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasiruddin, is this your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasiruddin, defending himself. "This was not my aim, it was Azad's aim. I just showed you how the Azad shoots an arrow." Now students, Nasiruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. Whoosh! But what happened? Arrow didn't hit the target, but it fell down somewhere in the middle. And all of his friends started laughing at him. They said, "Hey Nasiruddin, is this your best aim? क्या यही तुम्हारा best aim है?" By defending himself, he said, "Not at all. It is not my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how the Azad shoots an arrow." Students, you are thinking, who is Azad? He is one of Nasiruddin's friend. Saying this, Nasiruddin picked up another arrow. Once again he strung the bow, aimed at the target and shot the arrow. This time the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen before. Nasruddin started defending himself by saying that it was not his aim, it was Azad's aim. I just showed you how the Azad shoots an arrow. Now Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again he strung the bow, aimed at the target and shot the arrow. But again this time he did not hit the target, but it fell little further than where it had fallen before. It certainly didn't hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, and this must be how you shoot an arrow? Of course not, argued Nasruddin. Even this aim was not mine. This was the chief guard's aim. Now somebody remarked, well, now who's next on the list? Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin didn't say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow and this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit bang on the target. Now students, when Nasruddin failed to hit the target second time, his friends asked him, it must be how he shoot an arrow. Again he defended himself by saying, of course not. Even this second aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim. Now one of his friends remarked, well, now who's next on the list? Hearing all this, his friends start laughing again. Now Nasruddin didn't say a single word. He quietly picked up one more arrow and again, this time Nasruddin was really lucky. He hit the target. So students, when Nasruddin third time picked up one more arrow, this time he was really lucky. The arrow hit bang on the target. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, did you see that? It was my aim. So students, when third time Nasruddin hit the target, everybody stared at Nasruddin's face and their mouth opened in amazement. So before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said happily or proudly, did you see that? It was my aim. So dear students, I hope you enjoyed this humorous story a lot. So now read it by yourself. If you find any difficulty, you can pause the video and watch it again. Take care.